person I see ruling America is a woman.
Hello my people, how una dey? Also na dey fine. I say wahala no dey finish. E be like bicycle wey no get direction. You no get brake o. This video one I just watch, so na Verydarkman na him do am. I go put am for una. Wetin Apostle Suleman talk for the election wey be say e just happen for America. Before the election, he talk am say na woman na him see say he go win. Na wow, wahala no dey finish o. Then na Donald Trump na come win the election. So Verydarkman come still talk e own for inside. And I know the way Verydarkman take dey do it thing na even talk for there. Then I go put another video. Na still Verydarkman na do am. This one na native doctor. Mona see the native doctor, the way take dey do e work with this little pikin wey dey there. Now washa, you see that our country, if they not like focus on other things, that country go get as it be because of miracle and all those things. Now so with the see vision, all this gbogbo everything, you know, now make our people their brain they don't wash am. So anything where be said, then they talk, then they believe. Till our people, because now our people now be the problem. Till our people go no, say no, all these things, then they use until they wash their brain, then they brainwash them, then they want make them believe wetin them want make them believe, you understand? So they'll come remove that your own belief, they'll come put their own, so that you come they carry and they go. Now their own belief, now you come they carry they go. Your own, they will come out for your brain. Now be the thing, now make them they wash their brain well, and all these people where they be said that they look for miracle and everything, they go they run, they go they meet them, go they meet pastor, go they meet babalawo, you know, all those things. May I put this video for Namona watch? Please send me to love and like and share for me. Leave your own comments for them, my people. Not be the first time where be say some pastor then they like, then they error. Wanna leave all these things alone. And if you just say make I guess, not be say you see vision. Now watch out. Anyway, wanna watch this video now. Bye bye.
That just won now will be impeached. The person I see ruling America is a woman. The person that is vice will become president. Right?
You know the luck. You know the luck when una get most of these pastors from Nigeria. Now because it is not a crime if your prediction no happen, or if your prophecy no happen. Now because it is not a crime. If to say a crime, by now, especially this Suleman of a man, you don't suppose spend give or take 30 years for Sanko. Give or take 30 years for Sanko. Now only you every time. Why always you? Are you Balotelli? Are you Balotelli? But well, what is my business? The one where they always glad in my heart. Now the fact say every day by day, internet is beginning to reveal these so-called men of God in Nigeria. Not only Suleman, there are a lot of them. Internet is beginning to reveal a lot of them. The other day I see David, this one for Port Harcourt, they refer to this man, Verydarkman, as rats for stage. You know shame, you know hide them. Talk am. Every day. At least, even though we cannot achieve this religious and all this way where religion don't chop us, the next generation we see and we know better. That is why when they make all these videos, they keep them online, so that the future generation can understand that all these things all these men they do. Now then they just go one corner, just orchestrate plenty, just have to they talk. There's no miracle happening anywhere. And God they do miracles. That pastor prayed for me, I was healed. Now lie. Miracle day, but now God they run them. But you see all these ones, pastor go hospital, pastor no agree. Pastor say you get power, go hospital, you not agree. Anyways, now God will continue to help us. So now, God don't shock on us. All of now go with popular, you know, as everybody they shout Kamala Harris, all of them to say go play. Prediction no enter. Peace and love, don't play.
Bishani ya kuru lahu kunu fa yakunu. Shekaran ka nawa a jikinta? Menene? Daya. Ita ta turo ka ko ita ba wani malamin ya turo ka? Ita ta turo ka jikin wannan bayo Allah. Mai ya ce? Me ta yanka maka?
Akuya.
Akuya ka sha jini? ku nawa ne a jikinta? Ku nawa ne a jikinta na ce? Ku biyu ne? Wane ne dan ubanka wane ne? Wane ne yake so ya fasa mata hanci dan uwarka? Shege azzalimi. Allah ya ce ayi haka? Ciwon me kuke sa wannan yarinya? Ciwon me kuke sa ta?
Ba za mu bari ta ayu ba. Kuma muna sa mata ciwon kai da damuwa.
Da damuwa. To Allah ya ce ayi haka? Allah ya ce ayi haka? Bai ce ayi ba? Amma da yake ku azzalimai ne kuke cutar da ita? An taba magana da ku? Na ce an taba magana da ku? To ni me yasa ne magana da ku dan uwarku? Ba magana nake ba? Ya ilahu na wa ilahu kulli shay'in ya hayyu. Sa hannu ku cire dan uwarku.
Mun cire.
Maza mana ku ciccire mata. Sa hannu mana. Sa hannu dukkan ajiyan da ke jikin ku ciccire. Ya ilahu na wa ilahu kulli shay'in ya hayyu. Ya qayyum ya zul jalali ya likam ya mani na ya rabbi shani ya kun fa yakun. Wala ƙarya kuke dan uwarku ba ku cire ba. Ba ku ciccire. Zan wahalar da ku.
Mun cire wallahi.
Ƙarya ne. La ilaha wa ilahu kulli shay'in ya hayyu. Yanzu za ku bar wannan yarinyan ko ba za ku bar ta ba?
So first of all, never in my life did I ever think I would see an afam or imam doing miracle. Never. I've never seen it before. Maybe I know they take notes, but this one is funny as hell. See, just carry this video, send that to your Hausa friend. I don't want to talk much. Tell any of your Hausa friend, may help you interpret that. The video, they bust my head. Now, what happened in the video? Let me just summarize, right? So, according to the video, the girl is possessed by evil spirits. So, they are trying to force the evil spirit out. The thing where they bust my head, like the process and the way the Afa be like, Imam, they ask, they ask the which question. He got into a point. Is that what they call out? Down Ubanka, down Uwarka. You know, say, Hausa people, they can never do without, see, not alas, they can never do without that Ubanka, that Uwarka when they don't start to the vex. It reach even time of the holy moments. Baba enter the witch, No. That witch can never come back if it goes out again. But just tell one of your Hausa friends to interpret. But anyways, this is my point, right? That way don't reach nuts, because for me now all these pastors don't teach you now walk. Now all these pastors cause now them I go blame. You understand? I warn you now before me this thing no enter nuts. I warn you now. I warned you people. Now you can't scatter all over Nigeria now. Left for me, if you people have all this power you claim, you know I cannot direct you to give your power. Nigeria will not be like this. These political leaders that we have, you people would have used the power of the Lord to remove them, or whichever power that you people claim you have. I know it might not work like that, but go to the hospitals, you know. That's just it for me, Sha. I'm not trying to talk about anybody's this thing. And now, this Afa being an imam, he has not done anything wrong at the end of the day. Until he starts to say soap and water, that time now we will get problem. Or he starts to say bring money for this, bring money for that. This one is just normal video where they do deliverance. So, but for me, when I watched this, it was just funny. But tell your Africa, your Hausa or your daughter friend to interpret that for you. Nigeria, Mona, leave me a beg. Peace and love, don't play. Else you go.